foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with a eater. Two-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with a eater. Two-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. Money way. Diamonds. Flexing. I woke up rich, spin a grip on the necklace. I put the plug on three-way. Maserati, go speed race. Pop a baby on a bitch face. More ice flexing this way. We put the world on the wave. Don't give a fuck cause I'm paid. More act in a lemonade. Pharmacy knowing my name. I bet that bitch cause she bougie. She shot my dick in a movie. Trap jumping like 2-3. She a foreign little free. My bitch was born in the visa.
Foreigner.
I don't need her. Pull a drop top with a eater.
Foreigner.
Two-seaters. Bitch wanna fuck on my AP.
Foreigner.
New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. Bitch too foreign in the
bitch a foreigner. And she love to fuck. She suck it up. Make her fall in love. Put that on her tongue. Perky on her tongue. She do them walks for us. Make her one of us. They guess I'm smoking, blowing. Face on my neck, snowing. I'm dark skin, glowing. Off the Perky, I'm rolling. Valet, parking. I'm screaming, I'm barking. They like Poppy, why you starting? Pop a perk, go retarded. They know I'm wrong and I need that respect. 700 grams, I super gets. Pop smoke, niggas know I'm a mess. Black keep on shooting until it's the left. I'm 8-20, I throw up the set. 20 years old, but I move like a fat. You talk like your mom, you better invest in a vest. Nigga, cause you could get left. Bitch to the foreign, huh? I fucking head past the show a difference between a dog and a master. Lamborghini truck flooring. Got your bitch in the back, boring. She like, Poppy, I adore you. I'm like, baby, I ain't normal.
Safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me.
then I'm left to do and making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I've done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been skipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, you keep moving it up. It's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. I'm cool when now you hating, but I act a fool when I don't need it. And I say these bruising just to save this, but I tripped on your love, now I'm addicted. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I've been tripping, I'm tripping, I've been slipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, you keep moving it up. It's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. That is some kind of love, baby. Drip, drip. That is the type of love, baby. Tripping on you. It's big enough, baby. Drip, drip. It's big enough, got me tripping on you. I've been tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, you keep moving it up. It's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for said I admit I was wrong when I did it. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you, yeah.
It's different when I'm sitting there alone by myself. It's different when I'm thinking might be with somebody. It's different. This shit.
Evidence we miss, and I'm not Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNice hair, and today I'm reviewing this 13x4 skunk stripe unit. This is a skunk highlighted unit. It has a really bright blonde patch here, almost like a Wiz Khalifa kind of vibe, and then the rest of the hair is jet black. And when I say it's jet black, baby, it's jet black. So I actually like the jet black side better as far as like the hairline is concerned, because you can obviously see it better. But before we get into that, let's talk about the lace on this unit. So I'm not sure what kind of lace this is, you guys. I don't know if this is HG lace. I don't know if this is transparent lace. I don't know if this is just their regular UNice lace, but the lace on this unit is so amazing and it melted perfectly. Like, I was really concerned like how the melt would be, because sometimes when I melt my lace, like it'll take some of my makeup off and then it'll be like kind of patchy. So I like the fact that everything came out seamlessly and I have no complaints with this unit. The unit is also very silky straight, as you guys can see. It's very smooth. It's not like all frizzy, so we love that about the unit. I also like the fact that even though this hair was bleached to get like this blonde color, that it didn't mess up like the integrity of the hair. The blonde part of the hair is just as silky as the black part of the hair. So I do like that about the unit. We don't have like any like crunchiness, because a lot of times what'll happen when you bleach hair and you process it, especially when you get it like this light, you'll end up making the hair like very hard and crunchy because it's over processed. But this hair is absolutely amazing, and I did style it in a side part because that is kind of like the purpose of this style. I felt like if I styled it any other kind of way, you really wouldn't be able to see the blonde piece as much as you are able to right now. So that's why I decided to style it in the side part. So the density on this unit is probably about a 150 to 180% density. I'm not exactly sure, so always be sure to check out that description box down below for the details to this hair. But I want to say this is probably about 150 to 180% density. I really do enjoy the density to this unit. It's a very natural density. It's not doing too much, because I know sometimes certain units, like it can give very like paper thin, and then other units are just like too thick and dense. But this unit was perfect, and it was actually pretty quick to flat iron my hair as well. It didn't take me too long, so I do like that as well. But just like, look how smooth and silky this hair is, you guys. Like, it's just gorgeous. Like, look at that. Like I said, the blonde part is no different than the black part of the hair. It's still just as healthy, just as smooth. And I like how blunt it is too. Like how it's just like a blunt, like boom right there. So I really do like that. Now this unit does look great curled, but I've seen a lot of people style this unit curled already, so I just decided I'm just gonna style it straight, show you guys like what this hair would look like if you had it straight and you wanted to do a side part. I also like the construction of this unit. I feel like they give you a decent amount of parting space. I was able to part my hair perfectly, and I did put a little bit of concealer in my part just to help it like stand out a little bit more. And I like the fact that at the top here there aren't any flyaways, because a lot of times that'll happen like when you're flat ironing your hair, you'll have like all these little pieces sticking out everywhere, but not with this unit. So I love that. I am gonna come up closer though, so you guys can see the hairline and you guys can see what this hair is really giving, because I absolutely love this install. So I came up just a little bit closer so you guys can get a good look at the hairline on this unit, and you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like, the lace in this unit is so amazing. Like, look at this. I would show you on the blonde side, but obviously it's blonde, so you can't really see it that good, but like, hello. Like, it's really, really good lace. Like, I like the lace on this unit. Now, I will show you guys, this is the parting space on the side, but obviously, you know, I do have some concealer in there, but this is where the hair stops. And I'll show you guys like down the middle too. Well, that's not really down the middle. Here's the middle here. Just so you guys can see, like, if you wanted to do a deep middle part or something like that, you could. So this is a parting space down the middle. Not too bad, not too bad. Pretty average, right? This is the blonde side. The blonde side is just as nice and melted. Like, we like her. But the only thing about this part is it kind of makes me look like bald all right there, because the hair is blonde. So it kind of looks better if you like have the hair over your ear. For reference, I am 5'2". I get that question a lot. So if you want to know where this hair will hit on you, I am 5'2". And I want to say this is about a 24-inch unit. Hair is hitting me in the front on both sides. So just past my waist here. Show you guys in the back. This is where it's hitting me in the back, you guys. So this is where it hits me in the back. But yeah, you guys, these are my thoughts on this unit. I don't really have any complaints today. Usually I have like something that I don't like about the unit that I can share with you guys, but honestly today I really do like everything about this unit. I think they executed it perfectly. I think the way that they bleached the hair was perfect because it's not over processed. It's still very silky smooth like the rest of the hair. The hairline is great. I love the lace on this unit. I did tint the lace, so that's what helped, you know, melt the lace even better. And it's just like a really flawless install. I didn't even put any baby hairs. You guys know typically I would add like some kind of baby hairs. I was tempted to put some right here, I'm not gonna lie, but I actually really like this unit and I feel like it melted so perfectly that I didn't need to do any extra add-ons like baby hair. So this is the final look. I hope you guys do enjoy this video and this tutorial. So if you are interested in picking it up, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, UNice Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous look. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers, both new and returning, for watching today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.